Neanderthals, or Homo neanderthalensis, were indeed quite fascinating and unique in ways that might seem weird from a modern human perspective. 1. Physical structure. Robust build. Neanderthals had a stockier build than modern humans, with shorter limbs, which likely helped them retain heat in colder climates. Their skeletons suggest they were incredibly strong, with muscle attachments that indicate they could wield force greater than modern humans. Cranial features. Their skulls had prominent brow ridges, a projecting midface, which led to the misconception that they had weak chins, though they did have a receding chin, and larger nasal apertures, possibly for humidifying and warming cold air before it entered the lungs. 2. Brain size and structure. Despite their robust appearance, Neanderthals had a brain size comparable to or slightly larger than that of modern humans. However, the structure of their brain showed some differences, particularly in areas related to vision, coordination, and possibly even cognitive processing. 3. Cultural practices. Burial. There is evidence that Neanderthals buried their dead with some form of ritual, suggesting a concept of the afterlife or at least respect for the deceased. Some graves contained items like tools or animal bones, hinting at symbolic behavior. Art and symbolism. While less prolific than Cro-Magnon art, Neanderthals created what we believe to be art or symbolic items, like the ochre-painted shells found in Spain, which might have served a decorative or symbolic purpose. 4. Hunting techniques. Their hunting methods were quite different. Evidence suggests they might have used thrusting spears rather than thrown ones, indicating close-range combat with animals, which is quite intense by today's standards. 5. Genetic traits. Neanderthals interbred with anatomically modern humans. AMH. Today, many people of non-African descent carry about 1 to 2% Neanderthal DNA. Some of these genes have been linked to immune system responses, skin color, and even adaptations to cold climates. 6. Speech and language. The structure of their hyoid bone, which anchors the tongue muscles, suggests they could speak, but their language capabilities are debated. If they did speak, it might have sounded different, perhaps with less complex phonetics due to their different anatomical structure. 7. Lifestyle and environment. Neanderthals lived through a period of fluctuating climates, often in colder environments than many early modern humans. Their adaptations to these conditions might seem bizarre or extreme to us today, like potentially having a larger liver for processing vitamin D from animal sources in environments with limited sunlight. 8. Extinction or assimilation. The disappearance of Neanderthals is still a subject of debate. Were they outcompeted, absorbed into modern human populations? Or did they simply die out due to climate change or other factors? This complex end adds to their mystique. From our perspective, Neanderthals might appear weird due to these physical and cultural differences, but these traits represent successful adaptations to their environment over hundreds of thousands of years. They were a resilient species with a deep history intertwined with ours, illustrating the diversity of human evolution.